I think there's a lot of similarities between our culture there and the culture here, right? And in therapy, when we talk to clients or talk to patients, it's helpful that we can
Yes,
share.
this is the unique actually,
Yeah.
because culture is very much different from the Western to the Eastern society. And you are very much Eastern, you are very much our near culture.
I learned many new things that I didn't know in this field.
It was actually a very good learning session, and we have discovered many more things how a client feels.
I learned that in where we make mistakes, and sometimes mistakes can be blessing and we can learn from them. In this session and addiction workshop, it's very helpful for us. We learn from this very much, and it's very good session.
We work with the people with the drug addicts previously, but actually know the in-depth about what basically goes behind the mind.
I find it, to be very honest, it is an eye-opener for me. This is new for us, as I'm a resident final year.
This is a very well organized workshop, and I believe the modules, the topics are very up to date with the current situation. And treating addictions is becoming complex because of the different types of drugs, the different types of problems that are surfacing, and therefore we need to look at the latest and the most effective treatment outcomes to see the best treatment modalities. And that's what we're hoping to do in workshops like this, exchange knowledge.